Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the last type of hybridization included in our 11th science syllabus. This is SP hybridization. SP hybridization. SPD hybridization means it is the process or type of hybridization in which one s orbitals and one p orbitals of same atom having nearly same energy mix and are recast together to form two sp hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. That is the type of hybridization in which only one s and one p atomic orbitals of same atom having nearly same energy means a 2s atomic orbital of same atom can overlap with 2p of same atom mixed together. A 2s and 3p cannot undergo hybridization. A 3s atomic orbital and 3p atomic orbital mixed together to form two sp hybrid orbital, that is one s and one p atomic orbital of same atom having nearly equivalent energy mixed together to form two sp hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. These two sp hybrid orbitals have equivalent energy, same energy, but these two hybrid orbitals have a different orientation. To minimize the repulsion between them, these two hybrid orbitals are oriented diagonally or linearly. The angle between these two hybrid orbitals are 180 degree. They are equivalent energy but different orientation. Such kind of hybridization is known as sp hybridization. Okay. Now we will explain the formation of C2H2 molecule. Formation of C2H2 molecules on the basis of hybridization. Here this C2H2 molecule has a 2 carbon atom, 2 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. A C2H2, that is acetylene molecule, has a 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms in their structure. Out of these, here both carbon atoms undergo sp hybridization during a formation of a molecules. Both carbon atoms undergo sp hybridization during a formation of acetylene C2H2 molecules. Okay. Then steps involved in the process of a formation. Naturally, the first step is electronic configuration of a carbon having atomic number 6. Initially, a ground state electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, then 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6, that is 6 electrons are distributed in the various shells and subshells. Orbital box diagram. 2s2, one box represent one orbital, 2px1, then 2py1 and 2pz0. Okay. A ground state electronic configuration has only two half-filled atomic orbitals. This number of half-filled atomic orbital is less than a required number of bonding, required number of bonds in C2H2 molecules. That is, here a carbon atom can form 4 bonds. Hence, its excited state electronic configuration is essential, and hence a carbon in excited state. During excitation, one of 2s electron is promoted into vacant 2py1 orbital. During excitation, one of 2s orbital is promoted into a vacant 2pz atomic orbitals. Okay, we can write it 1s2. Then out of 2s2, one electron promotes into 2pz0, and hence there will be only one electron in 2s orbitals. Then 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. A box diagram. 2s1, this is a p shell having 3 orbitals along 3 axes, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Here, excited state electronic configuration of carbon has 1, 2, 3 and 4 half-filled atomic orbital, which is equal to a required number of bonds during a formation. Then next steps, hybridization, that is a mixing of atomic orbitals, a mixing and a recasting or reorientation of atomic orbital. Here only one s, that is 2s1 and 1p, that is 2px1 atomic orbitals are mixed together to form 2sp hybrid orbitals. 1s and 1p, that is 2s and 2px1 of carbon atom mixed together to form 2sp hybrid orbital. These 2py1 and 2pz1 atomic orbitals remain unhybridized. 2py1 and 2pz1 atomic orbitals remain unhybridized. These unhybridized atomic orbitals remains a right angle to these hybridized orbitals of a carbon atom. Right angle to hybridized orbitals of a carbon atom. Okay. Now, with the help of diagram, we will show the formation of 2sp hybrid orbital. This is a 2s1 of a carbon atom. This 2s1 of carbon atom mixed together to 2px of same carbon atoms, and for two sp hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. These hybrid orbitals are arranged diagonally, linearly, having a bond angle 180 degree Celsius. Okay. This is the mixing and recasting of atomic orbital. Now, we will discuss about overlapping of atomic orbitals. Overlapping of atomic orbitals. This acetylene molecule has a hydrogen atom having electronic configuration as 1s1. During formation of a molecule, each sp hybrid orbitals of both carbon atoms overlaps axially with one another. Suppose this is sp2 of first carbon atom and this is sp2. Suppose this is sp hybrid orbital of first carbon atom. This is sp hybrid orbital of another carbon atom. These both sp and sp hybrid orbitals overlaps axially and form carbon dash carbon sigma covalent bond. Okay. Then this is another sp orbitals of both carbon atoms. These sp orbitals of both carbon atoms overlaps axially with 1s1 atomic orbitals of hydrogen and for carbon hydrogen sigma covalent bond. As a bond is formed by axial overlapping, it is a sigma covalent bond. Then this is unhybridized 2py1, unhybridized 2py1 y1 atomic orbitals of both carbon atom, 2p y1 and 2p y1. This is unhybridized carbon atom of both atoms. These 2py1 and 2py1 of both carbon atoms overlaps sidewise or laterally. A sidewise or lateral overlapping is overlapping in which extent of overlapping is a minimum, and weak bond, that is a pi bond, is formed here between two unhybridized orbital. Okay, there is a third unhybridized atomic orbitals of carbon atom, which is 2pz. This is a 2pz. These unhybridized orbitals overlaps laterally, and they can form carbon dash carbon pi covalent bond. Okay, hence in acetylene molecule there is a 2 carbon dash hydrogen, a sigma covalent bond formed by sp and s overlapping. Carbon hydrogen formed by sp dash s overlapping. Then it contains one carbon dash carbon, this carbon dash carbon, a sigma covalent bond formed by sp dash sp overlapping of a carbon atoms. Then these molecules contain two carbon dash carbon pi covalent bonds formed by pp overlapping. Hence there are total 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 types of bonds, 5 number of bonds, 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, in short we can draw or we can represent acetylene molecule like that: carbon triple bond carbon, single bond hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, sigma covalent bond formed by sp of carbon and s orbital of hydrogen similar. Then 1 pi and this sigma bond is formed by hybridized sp atomic orbital overlapping, and pi bond are formed by lateral overlapping. Here the bond angle is 180 degrees Celsius, that is the bond angle of hydrogen carbon hydrogen is 180. The geometry of a molecule is a linear or diagonal. Okay, in this way we can explain the formation of acetylene molecule with the help of sp hybridization. Okay, now we will stop here, and in next video we will discuss about a new concept, which is a molecular orbital theory and molecular orbital diagram for a hydrogen molecule. Thank you very much.